What's up guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to open your Glovebox manually. What is happening? Go to Glovebox. You hear? That's it. It doesn't open. It's probably because it's overloaded. Here's what you need. Something, not a screwdriver or anything what I have, like a pen or something, but you need to put a rag or anything soft around because you need to pull this thing and you don't want to scratch. It's hard for me because I'm filming at the same time. Oh yeah, there. So you have to go more inside. Yes, there. And then this here, you just pull it with your fingers. You shouldn't drop them like I do because I'm using just the one hand, so you don't want to scratch them. You need to get this one out. Yeah, there. Once again, it's easier when you use two hands. That's it. You take this guy out, just pull it, done. Here's a few screws that you need to unscrew. 1, 2, 3, and one on this side screws. Okay, and you drop it. So, and here's where the lock is for the Glovebox. When I click here, watch, and it's not enough. This thing here needs to move, all right? So you can do it manually. It's probably overloaded, that's why. Okay, so you just have to take and just pull to the right and it's open. Okay, this here, it's loose. You see? Now it's in and it's locked with these things here, with all this mechanism. Let me click on the Glovebox, see what happened. And it's open. That's where the problem was. So much stuff I put in, and the pressure from here force these things up, and it's unlocked this little pin, and lock didn't work. And also let me show you why all this happening. When it's empty, okay, I'm gonna close it now and it open. All right, when I put all the stuff back, so when the Glovebox, it seems like everything fit. When I lock, so I need to put some pressure. Okay, now try open again. You see? Everything push up, and then we do it again until it's loose. Keep doing, and then all of a sudden it just pop out and move like this. You see? Not gonna work at all. You need to do the same what we did. Just use a hand and force it to the right, and it's open. Don't ever overload your Glovebox and you won't have this issue. I hope this was helpful. Please make sure you subscribe for the channel for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.